In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own unique avatar in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Canva's built-in AI to generate a custom avatar that looks and feels like you or your brand. We'll keep things simple and clear, focusing on three actions: opening the right tool, describing what you want, and generating your results. First, head to the left-hand toolbar inside your Canva design and open Magic Media. This is Canva's AI image generator, and it's perfect for creating character-style visuals without needing to draw. When you click it, you'll see a text box where you'll guide the AI with your description. If you've never used it before, don't worry. Everything happens right inside Canva, and you'll preview results immediately after you generate them. Next, type your sticker description. Think of this as a short, vivid briefing for an illustrator. Mention the character's key features, like hairstyle, skin tone, outfit, mood, and any accessories. Call out the overall style you want: cartoon, vector, 3D, kawaii, or minimalist line art, and include the phrase sticker style or white outline if you want that classic sticker look. Keep the language simple and specific, using commas to separate details. Avoid brand names and overly long sentences. Concise prompts typically produce cleaner results. For example, you might write, friendly cartoon avatar, short curly hair, warm brown skin, teal hoodie, cheerful smile, vector art, sticker style, soft shadows, plain background. If you prefer a clean cutout, add transparent background to your description. Now click Generate Images. In a moment, you'll see several variations appear. Scan them for overall likeness, clarity, and style consistency. If something's close but not quite right, refine your wording and generate again. Small changes like switching teal hoodie to navy hoodie or adding round glasses can make a big difference. If the image feels too busy, simplify your description. If it looks bland, add one or two standout details like bold white outline or pastel color palette. Consistency matters, so once you land on a style you like, save or note the exact phrasing of your description. Reusing the same descriptors later helps you produce matching versions in new poses or outfits. That's it. Open Magic Media, describe your avatar clearly, and generate images. Take a few passes to dial it in, and you'll have a unique, on-brand avatar ready to use across your designs. Let's get started and bring your character to life.